Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Easter is coming. Easter is arriving. What is Easter? Easter is one of the most important and widely celebrated Christian holidays. It commemorates the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead, as described in the New Testament of the Bible. Easter falls on the first Sunday after the first full moon following the vernal equinox, typically between March 22 and April 25. In this year, it will arrive at 31st of March. People celebrate Easter for various reasons depending on their religious beliefs and cultural traditions. Here are some of the primary reasons why Easter is celebrated. For Christians, Easter is the most sacred and joyous celebration of the year. It marks the communication of Holy Week, which includes events like Palm Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Good Friday. Easter Sunday celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ, symbolizing victory over sin and death. It is cornerstone of Christian faith, signifying hope, redemption, and eternal life. Easter coincides with the arrival of spring in the northern hemisphere. Many cultural associates Easter with themes of renewal, rebirth, and new life, reflection, the awakening of nature after the dormant winter months. Symbols like eggs, chick, and flowers are often used in Easter celebrations to represent these themes of rejuvenation and growth. Easter has evolved over time to include a wide range of cultural and family traditions that vary across regions and communities. These traditions may include attending church services, participating in Easter egg hunt, decorating eggs, preparing special meals, and spending time with loved ones. Non-religious or secular celebrations of Easter often focus on these cultural traditions, providing an opportunity for people of all backgrounds to come together and enjoy the holiday season. Overall, Easter holds deep significance for millions of people around the world, serving as a time of spiritual reflection, communal worship, and joyous celebration. People decorate their homes, make crafts. Some of the easy craft we are describing. Number 1. Easter egg decorating. Easter egg decorating is a classic craft activity enjoyed by people of all ages. Here are a few creative ways to decorate Easter eggs. Prepare a mixture of water, vinegar, and food colors in bowls. Submerge hard-boiled eggs in the dye mixture and leave them until desired color is achieved. Use different colors and patterns to create unique designs. Cut out small pieces of colorful tissue paper or napkins. Brush a thin layer of decoupage glue onto the egg. Carefully place the tissue paper onto the egg and smooth out any wrinkles. Apply another layer of decoupage glue on top to seal the design. Coat hard-boiled eggs with a thin layer of glue using a paintbrush. Sprinkle glitter over the egg, ensuring complete coverage. Shake off excess glitter and allow the egg to dry completely. Number 2. Easter Bunny Crafts. The Easter Bunny is a beloved symbol of the holiday. Here are a couple of craft ideas featuring this fluffy friend. Cut out 2 ear shapes from white or pink felt. Attach the ears to a headband using hot glue or sewing, and details like inner ear coloring using fabric markers or additional felt. Make small pom-poms using wild or pastel colored yarn. Attached googly eyes, a small pink pom-pom for the nose, and felt ears to the larger pom-pom to create a bunny face. Use pipe cleaners for whiskers and small pieces of felt for teeth. Number 3. Easter Basket Crafts. Easter baskets are essential for collecting eggs and treats during Easter egg hunt. Here's how to make your own. Cut out strips of colorful construction paper. Weave the strips together to create the ball and sides of the basket. Secure the ends with glue or tape. Add a handle made from a strip of paper or pipe cleaner. Cut out a basket shape from stiff felt or cardboard. Cut out handles and decorative elements from colored felt. Use hot glue to attach the handles and decorations to the basket. Fill with Easter grass and goodies. Number 4. Easter Chick Crafts. Chicks are another adorable symbol of Easter. Here is how to incorporate them into your craft. Cut sections from an egg carton to create individual cup Paint the cup yellow and allow them to dry. Add googly eyes and orange felt beak and orange pipe cleaner leg to each cup to create a chick. Fill the cups with the candy or small treats. Make small yellow pom-poms using yellow yarn. Attach googly eyes, a small orange pom-pom to the brick and felt wings and feet to the larger pom-pom to create a chick. Place the chick on a nest made from shredded paper or twigs. So these are the ideas you can adopt for making your Easter craft. If you choose any of them from our video, must share in the comment section and enjoy your Easter with beautiful craft and decoration ahead. Thank you.